Well, hello. This hummus recipe is dirt cheap and delicious. It's my cilantro lime hummus recipe. First, start out with 1 cup of dried garbanzo beans and let them soak overnight. And voila, in the morning, twice as much volume. Cook these until they're soft and ready to use. You can also use 1 can of garbanzo beans. This recipe is exactly 1.5 cups of garbanzo beans, and that's how much usually comes in a can. But if you really want to be frugal, cook your beans yourself. It costs a lot less money. Okay, first thing, pour in your 1.5 cups of garbanzo beans. Next, you want to add in 1/4 cup of lime juice and 1 tablespoon of tahini. Then 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then I blend this before I add in the 1/2 cup of water. Here is a hack if you've been dying for a Vitamix but you cannot afford it. Get yourself a NutriBullet for about 1/4 of the price. It is a no frills high-speed blender. So blend it all together. Get it nice and creamy, and then you want to add in your cilantro at the very end and just mix it a little bit in, because you don't want to have the cilantro completely blended into your hummus. You want little pieces of it. It makes it pretty. Anyway, people, that's it. I will put this recipe in the comments below. At my store that I shop at, there is a cilantro lime hummus that's delicious, and it's $5. This costs you about 50 cents. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, The Practical Magic of Frugal Living, and give me a thumbs up. Bye!